Hey, I'm Nick from T7 Training, and I'm here to teach you how to make Excel macros. We make it really easy with clear explanations, simple exercises and downloadable files that you can keep. You'll see lots of visual explanations on the screen of making the macros themselves, and by the end of the lessons you'll be amazed at how much you've learned. It's not difficult if you're taught properly. You can do it, and we make it easy for you. So we've been teaching Excel and other programs for 15 years, so we know how to make it easy. We'd like you to come visit us at www.t7.net.au/macros to get started, and I'll see you there.